Hi everyone, and a happy new year. And today it is GlossyBox day. So the version is, I have got version 2 for January 2019. So I've just got home and this was waiting downstairs for me. So let's get this bad boy open. I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas and a good new year. So we just have a standard, oh, who's that? Oh, that's Royal Mail telling me that they've just delivered my package. That's quite funny. So it's just a standard pink box. And do you like my scarf, by the way? It was a Christmas present. It's got unicorns on it. See the unicorns? It's very cold today, so let's get this bad boy opened. First impressions. Some kind of eyebrow kits. Lots of tubes. Some sort of Batiste spray. Huh. Interesting. I can't remember what was the January sneak peek. Must have been this, because this is the first one on the card. February sneak peek is a Huda Beauty lip contour pencil worth £16. Which one will you receive, Flirt or Venus? Either, they both look pretty much similar. We have Tiger here. Hey Tiger. There she is. She's like, grab this box. She's gonna get in it and fall off. I can just see that coming. Maybe I should move the box, or maybe I should let comedy happen. No, that's cruel, isn't it? You might not want to get in that one, Tiger. So, back to the box, and there she goes, sharpening her nails on my antique Parker Knoll sofa. Thank you for that, Tiger. Thank you. So, the first thing in the box is a full-size product, and it's a deluxe hyaluronic acid face and eye night cream. Fabulous, because I've just run out of night cream. I was using, oh, what was it? It was really good. It was in one of the boxes as well. Can't remember off the top of my head. I think it was my new Spa one. Anyway, so this one, oh geez, man, retails at £98. Wow. It rejuvenates tired eyes, promotes an even skin tone, and minimises the appearance of fine lines and pesky pores. It also has a gorgeous scent and instantly smooths your skin without adding shine. So that looks good. Hey Tiger. Hey. So the next item is dry shampoo from Batiste, and this is a deluxe mini worth £1.50, and I got the damage control for weak or damaged hair. Looks like there's a few different options. There's a hydrating one, a volume one, and a defrizz one. So I got the damage control. I do like these when I'm working away, and I like the small sizes, but I don't tend to use them otherwise. It's not like an everyday thing for me because I just wash my hair, but I'm sure you know exactly what I mean. It's You do, don't you? Just wash your hair. The next item is a beauty eyebrow shaper. And this retails at $3.99 and it is a full-size product. It's a must-have beauty tool that can be used to shape brows and gently remove fine hairs from your face. It's basically looks like a razor in a little plastic case to me. Will I try it? Probably not. Not something that I would ever use. So for me, that's yeah, probably not is my reply on that one. The next item is a Hask Repair Deep Conditioning Treatment. It's a hair mask and they retail at $2.49. There's several. I got the argan oil and it looks like there's 4 different ones. And there you can see there's 4 different ones on the Batiste as well. So this one strengthens and restores dry, damaged hair. It says a deep, nourishing treatment infused with argan oil. And the clever formula infuses your hair cuticles with hydration for nourished, shiny tresses. Massage a generous amount into your hair, focusing on the damaged areas for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. And never used anything by Hask before, so this is interesting. I'm definitely interested to try that one. And the last item in the box is this 417 Facial Micro Loofah Foaming Gel. Add this refreshing foaming gel cleanser into your beauty regime. Simply work into damp skin in circular motions, gently exfoliate and remove your makeup. This is a deluxe mini, 100ml, worth £13.31. Full size is 200ml and £22.71. Oh, it's sealed. Let's have smell. Interested to see what this one smells like. It smells very nice. It smells very citrusy, and it's just a clear liquid. But yeah, that smells really good. So all in all, yeah, pretty good New Year box. Definitely interested in this one. Definitely interested in the hair mask. And the night cream looks fabulous. Let's smell the night cream. And it's got a safety seal. I love it when they do a safety seal. Oh yeah, they're right. It does have a lovely scent. I've got loads of these. So my niece is probably going to yoink that one. And this eyebrow shaper thing, I'm definitely more than likely not going to use, so I imagine that my niece is going to yoink that one as well. But all in all, I mean, fabulous box. 4 out of 5 items that I would have considered buying, so that's always good. And I shall be back with the review on the December box shortly, and I've got a vlog to do, which I said I'd do before Christmas, I know, but I just didn't get around to it because it's Christmas and it was chaos. But everything's calmed down now, so I can hopefully catch up. And I need to update you on the violet shampoo. As you can see, it kind of looks a little bit violet, but not particularly. I think if I want to actually have a violet sheen to my hair properly, I'm gonna have to go to a salon. It does what it says on the bottle though. It does take the brassy copperness out of your hair, which I am quite liking. My hair does look quite dark at the moment because it needs washing. The only thing that I am disappointed that it does is, it was supposed to, I was promised by a friend that it would turn my grey bits purple, but does it look purple to you? No. But does it look more grey than ever? Yes. So my grey bits are kind of standing out very, very well. But I need to do a proper review on that shampoo. If you don't have grey hair, I would recommend it. If you have grey hair, it's not going to turn you grey purple. Oh, hello. So, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.